Can you actually hear with this microphone the birds in the background, or is it isolated? It's warm, it's a slightly windy. I am not freezing at all, it's not hot. I think it's really nice weather. It was raining in the morning, so everything is nice and wet. I think it's almost a dream weather. Ah, nice, you can hear the birds, that's beautiful. I was afraid that the microphone is isolating it. Yeah, thank you. It's my kingdom here. There's my garden, over there's the chickens, you don't see them. Ah, they are now in the neighbor's place walking around. I think we will have very, very soon a boiling water in here.